What would happen if a person leaves or quits from a work after a certain period of time? Let's know these kind of questions. Type 3. Quitting from work questions. A and B can complete a work in 15 days and 10 days respectively. They started doing the work together, but after 2 days, B had to leave and A alone completed the remaining work. The whole work is completed in. So I have made this question into different parts for better understanding. So A completed his work in 15 days. So part of work done in 1 day will be 1 by 15. Similarly, B completed it in 10 days. So his 1 day part will be 1 by 10. It is given that they started the work together, but they had done it only for 2 days. First, let's calculate it for 1 day. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 6. This is A plus B's part of work in 1 day. So for 2 days, it becomes 1 by 6 into 2, which is 1 by 3. After this step, B left and A alone completed the remaining work. So how much is the remaining work? Let's take the total work as 1 and work done in 2 days is 1 by 3. So the remaining work is 2 by 3. As we know that A completed 1 by 15th of work in 1 day, how many days will it take him to complete 2 by 3rd of the work? On cross multiplication, we'll be getting 10 days. But this is not the end. He's asking the time taken for whole work to be completed. So from the question, for 2 days, both A and B together completed the work. And after 2 days, A alone completed the remaining work. So the time taken for A to complete the remaining work is 10. And before that, A and B worked together for 2 days. So the whole work will be completed in 10 plus 2, that is 12 days. A and B can do a piece of work in 30 days, while B and C can do the same work in 24 days, and C and A in 20 days. They all work together for 10 days, and when B and C leave, how many days more will A take to finish the work? A plus B 1 day work is 1 by 30. Similarly, for B plus C, it is 1 by 24. And for C plus A, it is 1 by 20. It is given that they all work together. So 2 into A plus B plus C's 1 day work will be 1 by 30 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 20, which is equal to 1 by 8. On transferring this to the denominator, A plus B plus C 1 day work will be 1 by 16. But they are worked together for only 10 days. So for 1 day, if it is 1 by 16, then for 10 days, it will be 10 by 16, that is 5 by 8. This is the part of work done in 10 days. Now let's find out the remaining work to be done. 1 minus 5 by 8, that is 3 by 8. As B and C left after 10 days, A alone completed the remaining work. So the remaining work is 3 by 8 part. So this work is done by A alone. Before this, let's understand A's 1 day work. You can achieve A's 1 day work by subtracting B plus C's work from the total work. So A plus B plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 16 and B plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 24. Therefore, 1 by 16 minus 1 by 24 is equal to 1 by 48. This is work done by A in 1 day. Then 3 by 8 of work will be done in 48 into 3 by 8, that is 18 days. This is the answer. Category 3 in time and work is done.